Welcome to Exotic Car Gear. My name is David, and we just want to give you a quick walk around of some of the modifications we have done to our client's Ferrari F12. We like to work with our clients one-on-one to personalize their vehicle, to give it those added touches to make it their own one-of-one item. This client decided on our carbon fender badges, front and back. We blacked out the front and back grille cavalinos, as well as the strip badge on the rear of the vehicle. Clear side markers. Additionally, we fitted our three-piece front lip and our plain weave Ferrari carbon fiber. We also added the carbon fiber hood scoop to give it a subtle accent. Our full replacement carbon fiber rockers that attach identically to the factory mount locations. And finishing with our carbon fiber diffuser covers, as well as the third brake light, rain light cover, and a subtle wing to give it a more aggressive look. Some minor touches: get rid of the button head chrome factory ugly Ferrari wheel bolts, and we replaced it with a set of our titanium two-piece bolts. These being custom wheels, we actually had to make these to a custom length, being a 30 millimeter compared to the 52 factory millimeter bolts, but mirroring the factory 17 millimeter Allen drive heads for these bolts. We ceramic coated the typically titanium colored look of the factory plated stainless ones to a satin matte finish to give it all that black and white color motif. Touches to take it over the top to what the original factory look was. We do have replacement carbon inner door handle pulls aside from the painted silver ones. We have a set of our carbon paddle shifters. Other modifications come from the sound of this vehicle. Prior video, we installed the Klein X-pipe. Additionally, the customer provided us a set of the Klein valve control mufflers, which give this that sweet Italian V12 sound. One of the finishing touches is our three-piece carbon fiber engine bay for the center cover, as well as the right and left engine bay panels, done in the factory 3K plain weave, dry carbon. With these builds, we try to give our clients that one-of-one look that they're going for. Whether it be a subtle enhancement, a single part, they have a fellow shop that's working on the vehicle, we'll work with them one-on-one to make sure that we do everything to meet their needs.